Hey everyone, welcome to the Valor channel. Today I'll show you how to sync multiple Google Drive accounts on one PC. Search for Google Drive install. Choose the first option to download the Windows installer. Open the installer. Click Install. Then click Launch and log into your account. You'll be logged into the drive. You can skip this part, we won't need it much. Click Open Drive and there's your disk. Here it is on this computer. To add another account, click the disk icon, then Settings. Click Settings and add another account. After logging in, you'll have two drives. Now they'll both work on the same computer. This has been Valor with you. Like and subscribe to the channel. Wishing you all the best. Good luck to everyone. Bye for now.